like a baby.
Whoa! Oh, I hit the camera, I got so excited!
So I'm from the Midwest, and something very popular around Thanksgiving time is to take your frozen turkey and do some turkey bowling. Apparently no one's heard of it down here at FAU because frankly, you're supposed to do it on the snow. But I got my Thanksgiving turkey here, and it's time to tenderize.
Ooh, this thing's got some weight to it. I mean,
You know why you didn't knock it down? Because you didn't wear the turkey hat and the turkey cape. That's probably what happened. It is November. I am officially sweating. It adds extra flavor. Oh, we're oiling and watering it down. We need someone to actually get a turkey. Do you think you can do 3 in a row?
I don't know.
Are you going to be able to get this turkey?
100% no. I bomb all my finals, bomb all my tests. It's not gonna happen.
But this could be a turn in a new direction.
This could.
Finals are coming up around the corner.
If I get this, I'll pass my finals. I blame it on my foot, man. My foot slipped, man.
So you want to try for a turkey? Maybe if she knocks all 3 down, she'll pass her finals.
I can't see.
Dude, watch your feet. She can't see. Woo! We have yet to have one person actually bowl a turkey. What are you doing with that water balloon over there?
We're raising money for our philanthropy.
Oh.
So for $2, you can throw a water balloon at me.
Can someone spot me $2? And 1, 2. I think my turkey is ready for the oven, but first, one last throw, and we're short. Just don't tell my family where the turkey came from.